Hello, everybody. I wanted to jump on here. This is kind of a impromptu video that I wanted to shoot today. I hear a lot of people asking about what software should you use when you're recording your videos. So a lot of my clients and students, they're creating the online courses. And the first question is, what software should I use to record my videos? So I just wanted to share my top 3 favorite ones. So give you an idea of what to use. I have to say this, though, in the whole video creation and editing and all of that, there are tons of options out there. And as far as editing videos, I hardly am scratching the surface on that. I'm just not that good at it. But the couple of tools that I'm going to demonstrate with you, the reason I like them is because they're easy. And it's super easy to do that simple little editing where you need to cut it off at the beginning and the end so you're not looking like an idiot searching all over the place for that off button. So it makes it really easy to trim it. All right, so I'm just going to jump in here. I'm going to share my screen. And if you're watching, hi, I'm using StreamYard, so you have to give StreamYard permission so that I can see the comments. And if you're watching on replay, jump in, let me know that you can see it. So hopefully, let's see here. Can you see my screen? Let me add this again. It's always a little unnerving, I guess, because I can never tell exactly what's showing here. Let me pull this over to this window. This is where I need the editing, right? Because I could just go in here and cut it out. All right. So the screen that we have showing right now, this is Loom with an L, L-O-O-M. And you can use this. It's a web-based application. They also have a piece that you can download and, have it native on your desktop. What I love about Loom is it gives you the little bubble. So, and you can make it bigger or smaller. So if you're demonstrating things, you've got the little bubble down here and, it's like you're talking real time with people. When you go to create a video with Loom, they also give you the capability of creating folders, which is awesome because inside the folders is just a nice way to keep things organized. A couple other things that I like about Loom is you can create custom titles here. You can also grab the link. And so if you were just doing a quick little video that you wanted to show one person, for instance, you can just grab that link and you can share it with them. But the really nice thing is when you use Loom, you get notified when people watch your videos. So, the watcher may come in as anonymous, so you may not know who's watching, but it is nice, especially if you're working with a small group of students and you send the link out, and then you can find out if people are actually watching the video. So that's one nice thing that I really like about it. And then when you get into the video here, you can, this is where you can trim the video. So again, super easy. I'm not going to demonstrate all of this, but super easy. You can just cut out that beginning and the end. You can also add some custom call to actions, so like click the subscribe button, things like that. And then the other thing that I love is you can upload a custom thumbnail. Now, at the time of this recording, you have to always upload the thumbnail. But if you have a thumbnail that, matches the topic, or I usually just use my bio photo and I just upload that. They also have this little animated thumbnail. I don't use that, but that's where it looks like the video is playing in the background. So it's nice to have that custom thumbnail, super easy to trim your video there. See, what else do I want to say about it? Under the video preferences, what's really nice too, you can turn on commenting if you want. You can include the Loom branded player. You can allow people to download the video if you want. So that's another great capability that you have there. And let's see, anything else I want to share on this? Let's see. The other thing I was trying to think, what else did I want to share with you? You can also download it. So sometimes I will record my videos on Loom and then I will download it and then repurpose it. So I might share it on my YouTube channel, or I might embed it inside of one of the courses that I'm building. So it makes it nice. You can record it on their platform. You can keep it out here in the cloud forever, or you can download it. So that makes it pretty nice. So again, and I just read that Loom is doing some beta testing on transcription. So I'm super excited about that. I'm on the $10 a month plan, best $10 ever that I've spent. So that's my number one go-to. Another software that I've played with it once, I just haven't had the time to get back into it. It's called Descript, Descript. And Descript is awesome, even in the free version, because what it will do is it will do the transcription for you. It will go and remove all those word fillers, which I have a lot. I try to not do it, but I'm always saying so, or things like that. This software, when I was playing with it, is amazing. With the free version, you can only have one project at a time. And then if you wanted to do another project, you have to delete it. So when I get more time, I'm definitely going to investigate it more because it makes it super easy. So check it out if it's something that you're interested in. And then the, the third tool that I cannot live without, I use it all the time. It's published by Camtasia and it's called Snagit. And let me just open it up here. I do have an affiliate link for Snagit, so if it's something that you're thinking of getting, let me know. This is you purchase it once. I think the price is $49 now. Each year they upgrade it. You don't have to continue to buy to upgrade it. So that's the nice thing about Snagit. So, and it lives locally on your computer. So with Snagit, I don't know if you can see at the very top, this little S, this is my Snagit. So it's just there waiting for me. And I use it constantly to, I know we're talking about, video, but I first just have to say, you can use it to snag those quick little screenshots. So here under the image, if I click that, I can select the whole page or a region. I'm just going to select the region here, and then I do capture. I'm really maxing my computer because I have all these windows open. And then you can just quickly capture that. Now let me bring this screen over so you can see it. Maybe. Okay. And here's that image that I just captured. And then you can do all kinds of fun things. I always like to make little ragged edges. You can put an arrow in. You can add text. So if I was giving somebody directions on what to do, you can change the size of the font. I mean, you can just do all kinds of things with it. Stamps, you can use the little circle tool, so calling attention to something. So whenever I create the documentation for my online courses, I always use this because, you know, we're visual people and sometimes we need that step-by-step on the picture. So that's with the capture tool. And then this is the little editor that comes with it. And then let me come back up here to the little S there for Snagit. And then for the video, basically it works the same way. You click on that and then you tell it you want to record your whole screen or just a certain portion of your screen. And you hit capture and then the record comes on, and you can record with the webcam turned on or off. It gives you the little square window instead of the round bubble. So some people might be asking, well, why don't I just use Snagit for all of my videos that I'm recording? I could do that. Sometimes I like having stuff natively up in the cloud. So, one of my students asked me a question on one of my courses or my one-to-one. It's real easy for me just to record it out on Loom, and then I just share that link. I don't have to upload it someplace. So with Snagit, when you're recording here, it's local on your computer. Snagit also has a very easy clipping tool. So again, you can create you can clip the beginning and the end so that you don't have that awkward pause at the end of where is the turn off button. So it doesn't matter how many times I record these sessions live, I can never find it. So it's nice just to be able to cut that out. All right. So I just wanted to see, I said the so word again. I need somebody to start pinging me every time I say it. Anyway, what I wanted to do today, the purpose was just to show you 3 of my favorite tools. Loom costs $10 a month. Descript, if you're really wanting to dig in and take your videos a level higher, which I plan to do in the future. They do have a free version to get you going. I can't remember what the paid version is. And then Snagit, you can get by with a one-time. I must say that probably every year and a half, maybe, I upgrade it. I literally use Snagit every single day. Even if I'm working on something and I, don't want to write down something to remember it. If it's something on the screen, I just do a quick Snagit and I've got it. So I hope that was helpful. Let me come back over here to this window, if I can find it. And I will stop sharing the screen. Let me bring this back so I'm front and center. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, just some video recording software. So my question to you, are you creating an online course? Or are you doing any kind of coaching that using video is going to take your services up a notch? Let me know in the comments what you're using or what you think you're using, and share a link. I would love to see it. All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.